Throughput refers to the amount of work delivered over a certain period, and it represents your capacity to deliver. The throughput run chart displays the throughput of your team for a specific time frame. You can group your data by day, week, 2 weeks, or month. The horizontal axis represents a timeline, while the vertical axis shows your throughput. Each bar consists of colored sections showing the type of completed work. By hovering over the bars, you will see the set of completed items as well as their types. For example, here we see that till the end of July, the throughput of the team was very inconsistent. For some weeks, it was high only because they were working overtime and pushing themselves beyond their limits to be able to deliver on time. After they limited their work in progress and adopted a pull system, the overburden was eliminated and the team went back to normal working hours. The workload was aligned to their capacity. The total working time reduced, and as a result, the development cost reduced as well. Their throughput, though, increased, and it became much more consistent and predictable. And the throughput breakdown widget above the graph helps you evaluate what type of requests are demanding most of the time. Each colored section displays the type of your work and what percentage of the total completed work it represents. The throughput breakdown widget is especially effective when you want to emphasize the high volume of expedite requests you are handling. The throughput widget on the right shows how much work has been delivered within the selected time frame in total, 127 items in 3 months in this specific example. It also visualizes how your throughput rates have developed over time. Ideally, the line should stay even or increase smoothly. Watch out for decreases in the throughput line. This indicates bottlenecks preventing your team from delivering consistently. The throughput histogram allows you to visualize how consistently your team is delivering results. It shows the shape of your throughput frequency distribution. On that throughput histogram, we see that there are 23 weeks in which this team delivered 1 item per week, which was the common scenario. 13 weeks with a throughput of 2 items per week, and 11 weeks with a throughput of 3 work items per week. The histogram is also calculating your throughput averages using the mean, median, and mode values of your throughput frequency distribution. And your average throughput is the most important metric you want to discover from this chart. It is a representation of your capacity to deliver results. This team delivers 2 work items per week on average. And over time, you can observe the trends in your delivery rates. Ideally, your average throughput should increase smoothly or stay at similar levels. The throughput histogram is of great help when it comes to defining how much work you can deliver in your next cadence. To track the number of tasks delivered per week, let's say, we will group our data by week. And let's analyze this example. This team can schedule at least 5 items per week. This is their absolute minimum. They guarantee that they will deliver at least 5 items, and that commitment comes with a 98% certainty that this will happen. Then there is an 85% chance that they will deliver at least 10 items and a 70% chance that they will finish more than 12 items. The chance that they will complete 14 items drops down to about 50%. Even though this team managed to finish 24 items in one of their previous weeks, it is unlikely that they will be able to deliver that much work consistently. The probability that comes with this commitment is less than 30%. If they commit to that number, it is very likely that some of the work will be rescheduled for the next iteration. Use this information as a guide to determine the amount of work necessary to achieve your goals. And if your team commits to a number that comes with a low confidence of that being achieved, put that commitment into question. The greatest benefit of performing analysis based on throughput is that it represents your actual capability to deliver. Now, let's look into another important flow metric, flow efficiency.